Most men go their entire lives missing the signs of a woman with a high sex drive, but not you. In the next few minutes, I'll reveal 8 science-backed signs that most guys overlook. Let's get into it. 1. She finds ways to touch you often. She's adjusting your collar, brushing off lint, or sitting close. These aren't random gestures. She's testing the waters. Women with a high sex drive crave physical connection, even in small ways. 2. She steers conversations toward sensual topics. She won't be obvious, but she'll drop hints, talking about attraction, scent, or even playfully teasing about your physique. This is her way of gauging your response to intimacy. 3. She gets restless when there's no physical escalation. If the chemistry is there but things aren't moving forward, she may start acting fidgety, sighing, or even joking about how slow you're moving. She's waiting for you to make a move. 4. She's extremely responsive to compliments. She doesn't just say thanks and move on. Instead, she engages, leaning in, asking if you really mean it, or extending the moment. She thrives on feeling desirable. 5. She holds bold, prolonged eye contact. It's not just looking, it's how she looks at you. She may glance at your lips, tilt her head, or make it feel like you're the only one in the room. This is an unspoken invitation. 6. She has a playful, daring sense of humor. She makes bold, flirtatious jokes, maybe about your stamina, skills, or teasingly challenging you. If you confidently play along, she takes it as a sign of attraction. 7. She's comfortable with her own body. She carries herself differently, graceful, self-assured, and unapologetic about her femininity. She's at ease in her skin and doesn't shy away from attention. 8. She tests your response to physical closeness. She stands too close, leans in unnecessarily, or whispers when she could just speak normally. She's watching for micro-reactions. Does your breathing change? Do you lean in? She's testing for chemistry. Missed any signs before? Now you won't. So, if you liked the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more dating insights.